Why many have stopped going to church, what no one talks about. Have you noticed more and more people are no longer attending church? It's not just a trend, it's a cry for help. Behind the silence, behind the closed doors, there's a deeper reason many are walking away. In this video, we're uncovering the real reasons why so many have stopped going to church and what we as believers can do about it. In the last decade, church attendance has dropped dramatically, especially among young people. It's easy to blame the world, technology, or modern culture, but the truth is, many didn't leave the church. They left pain, rejection, and disillusionment. They were searching for something more, something real. Matthew, the harvest is plentiful, but the laborers are few. In all, first, for a time is coming when people will not endure sound doctrine. Why are people really leaving the church? It's not always rebellion. Some were judged instead of welcomed. Some felt ignored instead of discipled. Some were burned out by politics and performance. Others were wounded by hypocrisy. Many left because church no longer felt like a place of healing. It felt like a stage. They weren't fed. They weren't seen. They weren't safe. And slowly, quietly, they walked away. Man looks at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. Woe to you, hypocrites! You shut the door of the kingdom of heaven in people's faces. By this, everyone will know that you are my disciples if you love one another. But God hasn't left us. Hebrews 10:25 says, "Let us not give up meeting together, as some are in the habit of doing, but encouraging one another." The early church wasn't about showmanship. It was about fellowship, truth, and love. They devoted themselves to the apostles' teaching and to fellowship, to the breaking of bread and to prayer. For where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, there am I among them. So how do we bring people back? It starts with you and me. Be the church. Don't just attend, live it. Welcome the broken, listen to the hurting, love without condition. Carry each other's burdens, and in this way you will fulfill the law of Christ. Accept one another just as Christ accepted you. Let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. Let's make church less about a building and more about belonging. If you've walked away from church, I get it, but know this. God never walked away from you. He still wants your heart, your voice, your presence. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Come to me, all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Wherever you are, He is near. If this message spoke to you, like this video, subscribe, and comment below.